Hello everyone. Today I show you how to do 3D information science in Vissim. This is a very useful tool if you want to show during simulation, and especially during 3D view, like a vehicle count, for example, like this. You just keep counting how many vehicles pass that line. You can use all kinds of attributes here as before. So you can set it to different time intervals or different vehicle types. So if you want only cars, you can just do that. I recorded a video for this topic previously, but my microphone didn't work. So that's why I'm re-recording now again. So let me just start from the beginning. So this is a very simple network here. And let me just delete that information sign and make a new one. So you need to place it on a link. So you select it, control right click there. It brings this one up, this window. It has 4 sections. The first section is important because you need to select here what object you want it to refer. So it can be like stop sign, priority rule, links, data collection points, and so on. And so just take it simple and links. This is link number 2. So it automatically selected 2 here. But if you use something else, and I will show you later, then you need to select a different reference object for that. So that is the object number you are referring to, or you want to get information from. This is the content. So here you edit the what to be shown. So you can select here. By default, it puts already a text information, but you can just delete that. You can add by clicking that green button, text, attribute value, the name of the attribute. You can put both in one line. You can have text and attribute value and text. So it's quite flexible, I think. Then here it's more like a location and the size of the sign and how it moves. And the last one is the just very visual, like just you can format it. So let's show a text, and the text I want it to be in the middle. And the text is lane number. No, sorry, number of lane. Like that. And I want the attribute value of that link, number of lanes. And I want this to be in the center as well. Here you can leave everything as it is. Let's just leave everything as it is. And as you can go, as you see in 3D, it has not a good rotation, or so it's hard to see. If you untick these, you can select it here in 3D view. If you have this selected, you can't select or you can't open it, the dialog box. But if you untick these, you can double click on it and it will bring up this window. You can put rotation to camera. Then it will always keep it towards the camera. But as you can see, if I go up, it only rotates it. It doesn't face the camera. You can select tilt to camera as well. And this way, it doesn't matter how you look at it, it's always facing you. Okay, so now let's do some more exciting. So I show you how to very quickly. I show you how to count vehicles. And so click. I want text and attribute value. The attribute value will be vehicles and count. This will count at the moment. So current vehicle number on link. And this is our attribute. If I play, you can see it counts the number of vehicles on the link, but it's not counting like how many vehicles have passed. So how to do that? You need to make sure that the evaluation is active for data collection. Then TD 2D mode, let me delete it. I already placed one earlier. So you need to place a data collection point. Let me delete the other ones. So we have one data collection point on this link. We go to evaluation, this measurement definition. All data collection point needs to be assigned to a data collection measurement. I've already created one, so I delete it. So when you create a new one, you just click add, and here you need to select the data collection point. So this is number 4, and so I select 4. If you have a 2-lane road, you have 2 data collection points, and if you want to count the link traffic, the link volume, you need to select both. So both points will be considered for that measurement. So that's the idea. So now, if I go back here, instead of using this count vehicle, I select again text and attribute value. And here, as you can see, there is no way to find that data collection measurement. So what you do is here you select data collection point, and reference object also needs to be selected. So it's 1, or this number 4, because this is number 4. And also, if you are doing it on this link, you can select either 5 or 6. It doesn't matter. So let me select again data collection point 1, or this number 4. And then here, you can go to data collection measurement. You can just double click on that if you want to open it. So double click, and here you can find data collection measurement, because that can be accessed through the data collection point. You open it up. As you can see, there are a lot of these things. This happens because a data collection point can be assigned to multiple data collection measurement. And exactly one will bring up the one you want. A bit of help is in the manual, in the 2025 manual. On this page, there is information on which one is what. So as you can see, it displays the value of the selected attribute if there is exactly one network object. So we go to exactly one, vehicles, and here, current run, current interval, all types. You can select different one if you want to have a different, if you want to show a different value, but I just want to show currently in the current interval. Current interval is this, here you set it. So at the moment, I measure it from 0 to 1 hour, and the interval is 1 hour. So that is selected. I just leave the settings as it is. Run it. As you can see, as vehicles pass, it keeps counting the number of vehicles on that location. And this, you move it around, it's always there. You can move it, offset it a little bit, or move the physical location by changing the X offset, Y. So if I just put 5, 5 and put it to 5 meter high, you can change the colors. You can change the size, border, everything. And if I just move it, you see it's slightly above the road now. But you can create nice little signs like this. You can also add like maybe like a 3D static object. So if you want to add like a pole, or not like this, sorry, a traffic signal, maybe you can just place a mast like that. And in, in 3D, you can just put this to the right location, and then you can have a bit more meaningful way to present it. I hope you found this useful. I think it is quite powerful, especially if you want to record videos and something. And thank you very much for watching. Please comment on the videos, that will help the YouTube algorithm. And also liking, subscribing would be appreciated. And if you want to support my channel, please head to the Patreon page you find in the description below, or in YouTube you can also become a member. Thanks for watching.